Alright, this is me talking to Mom and Uncle Billy. Getting ready to walk outside. See, they're ducking the camera. She can wave. She'll say hi. Alright. I'm going to show you guys how bad it is outside right now. Oh. Alright, that's already covered. And there's the truck. Yeah, we got the power flickering. Looks like I didn't even shovel. There's that ramp I just shoveled about an hour ago. Completely covered. Oh, it's so windy outside. Look at it. Oh, it's going sideways. It is pretty gross out here. Ah, it's coming right in my face. Alright, I'm done.